In this very short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a color from an image like this logo. So we've got it open. Let's go up to Select, choose Color Range, and use the eyedropper and move it over to your actual image. And I'm going to click on the white background. And now when I click OK, you'll notice you can see the marquee or crawling ants tool are present. Press Delete and you'll have removed that selected color. Let me undo this for a second. Now, if it doesn't let you, go over to your layers panel and make sure that the unlock has been completed. So if there's a little lock on your layer, double click on that to unlock it. Let's do this one more time just for fun. So we'll go to Select, Color Range. I'll click on the dark green this time. Click OK and press Delete. I'll undo that one last time here. Once you're happy with what you have removed, I'll delete it again. Go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, and you'll export it as a PNG file where the transparent area will be recognized as transparent. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it.